Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to run paid partnership ads on Instagram. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open Instagram on your phone. Then once you open it, you'll have to click on this plus sign in the middle bottom corner. Just click on it. And now you'll have to choose any post. So I'm going to choose this one here, for example, then click on next. And here it will show you this page. Now you have to click on advanced settings. Then once you click on it, you'll have to scroll down in the advanced settings till you find this option right here, add paid partnership label. Just turn it on and it will show you this page. Click on enable, then click on done, and now they will ask you to switch to a free professional account. So you'll have to click on continue till you get to this page, then click on continue again, and finally you will have to switch to a free professional account in order to complete the process. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.